Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are out on the Goldwing. We decided to take Cricket out for a ride today. He's not been on the Goldwing in a while. Taking a ride down by Parker Lake, southern Arizona. Pretty down there. We've seen a lot of pronghorn beside the road. Several herds of them.
One herd had a bunch of babies.
Yeah. One deer. It's a nice day. I don't know what the temperature is. That says 80 degrees.
It's just Frank, me, and Cricket today. Look at that old truck.
I see that.
Cool.
Yeah. Just out for a little ride. Down here, down here and check out the lake.
It's like an old schoolhouse up here to the right.
Oh yeah. Yep. Old church.
Old.
Got an old bell.
We can go back road, go into Fort Huachuca.
Yeah. Yeah.
On the Goldwing, go to Fort Huachuca.
Take back road.
Have a car. Wasn't too bad.
Parker Canyon Lake, 10 miles. Yeah, that back road through there would be kind of rough on the Goldwing. That's our mountains we see from our front yard, from our house, and it's just the back side of them. We're on the other side of them now. Border Patrol, we've seen 2 or 3 of them down through here today.
Yep. Pretty, all the greens and everything. It's hard to believe just in about 3 days it's going to be fall.
Yep, Sunday, first day of fall. It's already cooling down. We're getting nights of upper 50s, lower 60s. Feels good. There is grasshoppers all over this road.
Yeah, I see them.
They're just everywhere.
That's good fish bait.
I imagine I'm splatting them pretty heavy. Can't miss them all. Yeah, it is good fish bait.
Those catappa worms and grub worms.
Yeah. Yeah, catappa worms are good. Earthworms are about the best. Night crawlers, but
Yeah.
you can't beat that.
Yeah, night crawlers. There's a rock we can pick up. It'll fit in the trunk.
A what?
A rock.
A big rock?
Yeah, it'll fit in the trunk. It might weigh us down a little bit, but it'll fit.
One that I can't lift. She's always want to take these big old rocks home, but she don't realize I got to be able to pick that thing up first.
Little sunflowers.
There is a lot of sunflowers through here. Wild sunflowers.
Yep. Watching for critters.
Watching for all kinds of critters. Deer, pronghorn, elephants.
We ain't gonna see no elephants out
Oh, well, you never know.
here. If we'd see an elephant out here, I think we'd step out in the twilight zone.
Yeah. Polar bears.
That's definitely a twilight zone area. Watch them potholes.
I see that. And rocks.
Feels like the air's getting cooler through here.
Yeah, it will over here, I bet you, by this lake. Get more in the mountains here. It said 78 degrees on the bike. This road's not too rough. You gotta watch, there's some potholes and some bad spots. It needs to be repaved, but still a nice ride on the street bike.
It does have some sharp corners when you first get on the road.
Sharp corners and cattle guards. Highway 83 south from Sonoyta. I hear all kinds of burr.
Oh, that was a cold spot. You didn't feel that?
No?
Must have just hit me. Felt like I stepped into a second of winter.
There's another cattle guard.
Pine trees.
Yeah, we're in the pine trees now.
A little bumpy. Now be careful, there could be cows, it says.
False advertising. There's a squirrel.
Squirrel! Run, squirrel! He was doing a hop run.
Mm-hmm. He trying to go gone. Where he gets run over. Falling rocks.
Oh,
Big bump.
Lord.
Hang on.
I felt like I almost come up off the bike that time. My feet did.
Old Cricket's probably getting airborne back there.
Probably. Surprised he ain't whining at you. Saying, Dad, this is too rough.
Getting griped out
Yep.
by the dog. Road narrows. It's already pretty narrow. Watch for cars on the wrong side of the road. That one wasn't, but sometimes they are. There's a squirrel.
Probably kick soon. I like this little place here.
Yeah, I do too. Neat old place. Down in the holler. Parker Canyon.
They just dropped a building off right there.
Bump. There's a big pothole there.
Pothole. Gotta try to make it around the corners and dodge the potholes at the same time. And the rocks.
Yep.
Comes another vehicle.
What are you doing back there?
The noises cause all the bumps.
78 degrees and breezy.
Oh.
Pretty nice. Is your mic right in front of your mouth?
Why? Are you not hearing me?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes you talk low and it don't come on.
What about now?
Yeah.
I pushed it sharp closer. I mean, it was there, but now I've got it almost up against my lip.
It's working.
Oh, land for sale right there.
Yep.
On the right hand side. It's for sale.
I don't know how many grasshoppers I smashed, but I'm sure it was a bunch of them.
Lots of gravel in this corner.
Yeah, there is.
Road is a little bit busier than last time we were over here.
Yeah, it is. People people over here, evidently.
Got a guard.
Another one. Somebody out there weed eating.
Parking around here.
Over here under the shade tree, I reckon. Think old Cricket's still in there? Well, there's Cricket. Look at there. It's Cricky. He ready to get out of there. Walk around a bit. He's had enough of that.
Enough of it, Cricket.
Poor thing. Poor Cricket. There's the lake.
What?
No.
No, what?
No bark.
What do you want? Come on, he wants you to pick him up.
Don't start throwing a fit. No.
Well, come on. Well, let's go.
Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Mess around a little bit and then head back home. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you on the next video. Right on.